roots down low. And if you ever listen this song with the honor, Zandu's got the title. You'll be someone that he don't know. Hey, say a prayer and chant a psalm. Probably keep a sound white hand. You don't have to go to church or be a Christian to call on the SmallAxe name.
Oh, Junior,
shout out the name SmallAxe in the valley. Shout out SmallAxe and the man. Don't play the pain in the ghetto tonight. We gonna rock it tonight. Really gonna rock it. You live the life you love.
This engineer from England said to remember this first time around, and we're gonna come here every time.